save on Photoshop and you save the Photoshop file, you're saving all of this layers information that you've created over here. That's actually quite a big file, and you want to keep that file if you want to, for coming back and editing and making changes to your design. So always have that file saved somewhere. However, there are going to be other purposes. You want to save this as a picture. For example, you might want to email it or to print it out. So when you want to just save it as a flat picture with none of the layer information, you need to go somewhere else. And if you go to the Save for Web and Devices option on the File menu, you'll bring up this window, which will give you certain options, okay, in terms of optimizing the file for various different applications. So for example, up in the corner here, I can save it as a Jpeg file, so I can save it with the Jpeg compression format, and that will reduce the file size. You can see here the original was 313K, and as a JPEG that's gone down to 11.35K. So if I was going to use this for a web application, for example, I'd be thinking about reducing the file size to make the download speed a little bit quicker. And I can play with different options here to perhaps increase the quality, and I'm balancing really the quality of the image with the file size down here. I've got other options. I can save it as a GIF, PNG format. If I wanted to save something with the transparency, I might use one of those two formats. I wanted a transparent background, for example, I'd use one of those two formats. So I'm just going to save it as a JPEG for now. I'm happy with this file size, it's not too big, and I'll just click save, and obviously it will ask me where I want to save it to. And we'll just put it in my pictures library for now. So two different file types: the PSD file, the Photoshop file with all the layer information. You want to keep that for your editing. That's going to be a large file, no use as a file for web formats or for printing. If you want to go out for printing, you need to, or you want to email it to someone, or you want to use it in a web-based application, you do need to change the file type, and you need to go to Save and Save for Web and Devices and optimize it for the particular application in terms of file size and quality. Okay, that's it for this tutorial.